everyone, good evening. This is Maysas and this is Bev. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay na yung flight namin. 1 hour.
Yung concert namin.
1 hour delayed. 1 hour ba? Ay. Ay na rin yun.
Humanda ka na Araneta.
Humanda ka na Araneta at papunta na kami. So guys, we're entering down.
My time on 21A.
Ah!
Feeling ko.
Disarm the door.
Asa ko or
21.
Na-traffic na.
asa may bawang ano yan?
Pero?
7. So ngayon, kinakabahan ko kasi it is my first time na sumakay ng aeroplane. So ito na guys, yung mga kasama ko. Hindi pa namin nagkakaiwalay-walay kami ng seats kasi ano po kasi nasa ticket mo yun po yung susundin.
Sinasarap.
Kaya kinakabahan talaga ako. Alam sila kainan.
A few moments later.
Our flight time will be approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. For the meantime, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. Case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to
diesel. Kaya naghihintay po kami ng bus. Yan naman biyahe dari Bican Torelo. So good morning everybody. We're here now in Manila. Yo, di ba? Ang ingay-ingay namin. From Davao to Manila. Manila, Manila.
Manila,
Manila. Okay, that's... Meron pala kaming teddy bear dito. Pakilala mo si ano? Si Kai Kai. Hi.
and this is Claire. Sorry.
No, the real name.
She just named Jolly Ragudo. She just changed her name. Don't you ever ikat to siya.
Don't you ever.
Don't ikat to siya bashcam.
No, cut. No cut. Action permitted. Cut, action, cut. Ito, or? Sa wakas, guys, after 1 hour ang delay, eto na kami. And we're looking for Sir Jack. Ayun, lantok ko. Yung feeling na isang Bisaya ka eh. Dito ka eh.
Siya kay Hazel. Nakabat niya na kayo.
No. Nauna man siya. Gigigil ako. Kakahiya. Tawin nila. And we're tingnan kami. Ayun pala sa pangita kasi imong igsuon. Pinalanggang igsuon.
Gibaya.
Gibiyaan nilang kuya nga. Yang kuya dahil namiya.
Mama, yung water na. May water na.
Uy, mapalit po dahil. Sila idang.
Uy, pagdalihan.
So yun guys, this is our journey.
Dili ka magpalit ng tubig.
Palit na.
Palit namin.
Palit mo. Palit ako.
Hello sir, dito na kami.
Po kami sa
Ba
van.
kami dito? Dito kami sa Baguio. Pwede po bang
Are you
Hindi pwede.
okay guys?
Tawid kami.
Mga dabawan nyo.
Sandali po ha. Dito kami sa Bay 1 na pedestrian tatawid. Diretso lang.
Tara.
Sa Bay
Ha? Asan daw? Bay 5. Ning, mga backpackers. 12 na, hindi pa rin natutulog.
Sige po, sige.
So, Beb, sarap ng tulog mo, Beb, kanina.
Hindi.
Sarap ng tulog mo kanina.
Wala ako natulog.
Hoy, pumunta kaya ako sa inyo.
Kasin?
Oh, si Aripul ko. Mangayo kog kuan. Mangayo kog double.
Dapat magtagalog ka.
Hindi ako. Sige, sige.
Wait lang. Wala.
One more. Joiners.
So, ayan guys. Ngayon, punta na kami sa kung saan nakaparking yung van na sasakyan namin papunta ng Sagada. Ay, ayun. Pero ito. Sagada. Kawawa yung van namin. 6 p.m. pa lang, naghihintay na kami dumating 12 midnight morning na pala.
Ha? Kuya.
Driver natin for 3 days. Sakit gihapon akong ano ay dalawang gas. Sir Jack, mag-transit ka?
Oo.
Yay! Hi, sir. Good morning.